Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to build a house, a home in Palworld. Now, as you can see here, we have a new game. So when you're starting out, you're probably just going to build like a floor, a single wall, and a roof so you could just house your bed, because beds are very important, not only for sleeping, but at the same time, well, it's for sleeping. Who am I kidding? But sleeping is important because when you're early game and you don't have clothes like me, when nightfall hits, you will start freezing to death because temperature is a factor in this game. So if you've been mining a lot, if you've been getting a lot of wood, a lot of stone, a lot of stuff that you need, you will be probably planning to build a house. Now, if you want to build a house, it might just be simple, or it might be very lavish from the get-go, but you will need a house regardless, right? So how do you build a house? There are certain things that you need to unlock. You press tab and go to technology. Of course, you will need a wooden structure set when you're starting out. So after that, when you reach level 18, you will be able to unlock the stone structure set, which is pretty much what most people use in their bases. Now, aside from that, if you're a bit, on the side of, oh, I want to spruce up my house, there are certain things that you could unlock. You could unlock a wooden living room furniture set, wooden tavern furniture set, like this tavern cabinet furniture set. There's a lot of things that you could unlock here that could make your house prettier. So, but for me, I don't have that right now. But let us unlock that just so that I could show you how to make it. Right? Let's unlock these few things that here, right there. All right. So now, how do we build a house? Well, you need to press B. And as you can see here, we're already at foundations. But if you're not in foundations, just scroll your mouse wheel until you reach foundations. And for this one, let's use a mixture of both stone and woods. But for our foundation, let's build a stone foundation, right? Just place it. Right. Again, you will need a bunch of stone and wood for this. Let's do 6 by 6, 3 by 3, right? 3 by 3 like this. All right. So that's a good starting place, right? And let's put 1 here. Let's put 2 to be more, a bit creative when it comes to this. So after this, I would want to build stone stairs like that, for it to look pretty good. But since, again, these are stone and wood combinations, let us put a wooden door. There you go. And then put another wooden wall here. And then here you will need to put, it could be a mixture of both, 1 and 2 with windows, right? There you go. It's starting to look like a house, if I'm to be honest, right? Let's open the door by pressing F so that we could go inside. So, all right. Looking pretty good. Let's build another wall here. A wooden wall over here. There you go. And you could also build fireplaces. So I don't know if I unlock the fireplace. Probably not. Antique storage sets. We could get that. So we don't have the fireplace. So let's just unlock the fireplace like that. So you would need charcoal. We don't have charcoal, so we would need to have our fox parts to start making charcoal for us. Now let's get the ingots that we have. Let's go to our primitive furnace and let's just have, there you go. Our fox parts will start creating charcoal now. And there you go. It's gonna start making some. All right, so our house will be having a fireplace probably here. So what we're going to do is make a stone wall in this spot. And then let's put another window here. And a stone wall on this side, because we are going to have a 2-story home. Even at this early stage, right? Because you would need to build a stone roof over here, There you go. Because we're gonna have stone steps, we're gonna need wooden stairs like this. Can we make it? Okay, I forgot. We need another stone. No, let's use another wooden wall like that, and let's make our wooden staircase. There you go. Pretty cool. Now let's close that off. And as you can see here, actually no, you know what? Let's make it more realistic. Let's put a wooden roof here. There you go. And then let's just cover this with wooden roofs, right? There you go. Because this is a bit of a primitive approach. Put one there. So let's just finish this off with roofing. Go. I don't know if we need that there. Do we? Okay, no. Okay, so yep. Pretty cool, huh? It's already starting to become a bit more homey, right? Look at that. It's pretty cool, right? And since we have some kindling, maybe we can start creating the fireplace. So where is it? All right, so we have a fireplace here. We can make a brick one. Let's make a brick fireplace. Looks cool. Okay, so we're gonna have a fireplace here. It's not, but hey. And we can have one of our pals, there you go, to work on that. Now you might be wondering, so why do we need fireplace? Because again, it's warm. And we could also unlock, I think I have unlocked it. Where is the wooden wall? Where is it? Wall torch, there you go. Let's just get one of that. So we could build wood torches. So let's build one here. Okay. We don't need to build anything here because, the fireplace will cover this entire thing with light. So let's just finish out the house on the second floor. Let's go back to windows. So I would like to put a window here, another window here. Simple wall there. Yeah, simple wall here. Simple wall there. There, simple wall. Let's just finish this off with simple wooden walls. Okay, that was a mistake. So if you made a mistake, all you need to do is press B and then press C to disassemble and click on the highlighted build that you want to cancel, like that. So again, let's just finish this up with walls. Go. Let's put another window right here so that you can see the waterfall over there. And now we could, we could start playing with it. All right, so now we are here to finish off by creating a wooden roof like this. Just, let's do this. Let's just cover the entire ceiling with roofing. You might be wondering, why aren't you using slanted ones? The slanted ones, as nice as they look, they're very scuffed to this point. I don't know why they're not fixing it. We could use it on like edges and whatnot, but again, this is for a beginner base. So as you can see, that is pretty much your house. So if you go here, as you can see, our Fox Sparks has already lit up the fire here, and as you can see, pretty cozy. So go to the outside, pretty neat looking house, and as you can see, it is pretty much done. Sure, it doesn't look that good, but hey, it's your first starter home, right? Let's light this. There you go. And let's light this other one. There you go. Now we have a fireplace. What we want to do now is create a square table. It's in the furniture spot. So either this, maybe you know what? Maybe let's do this. Let's do a circular one. Let's just hold. Let's just have our pal create this. Our big boss Kativa. To spruce it up a bit. All right, so already looking pretty good. And then let's put a few wooden chairs. You know, let's put one there. Let's put another here. There we go. And let's put one more here. Right, this kind of like a aesthetic thing. There you go. And let's put, as you can see, we're already getting cold. So let us light up this again. There we go. Great. Shoddy bed. So let's put it around here, right? There you go. Put your bed there. Have your Kativa work on it. Now you have your bed. And let's make it a bit, you know, cool looking. Let's put a bench there. So maybe you could like add some stuff there, kind of like a bedside bench of sorts. And all you need to do now is sleep. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.